Alright, yeah, this is another part of the tutorial on how you can install Figma directly online, okay, and not on your computer system in order to preserve or to save your memory space. Okay, it's very simple. Just follow the video, you're gonna get it. Alright, I'm gonna make it straightforward. Okay, very simple. Now, this is my Google Chrome account. This is my Google Chrome browser, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna open it. This is Google Chrome. Alright. Now just make sure that one thing about Google Chrome is it saves your Gmail account. It's Google is also Gmail is also a Google product. Okay. Now but it's an email. Of course you know that. Now if your email is registered already on your Google account, all right, now your that is your Google Chrome browser. Now this is my own account, okay, Clement Amadi. This is my own account now, all right. Now I want to now install my Figma online to my Chrome account, that is to my Google account, my Gmail account. That's what I mean. Now I'm just gonna go straight to this search bar and I will say www.figma, okay, .com. Then you press enter. Now this is your Figma. Alright, this is the interface of your website. This is their website. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to install Figma online. Okay, now what you just need to do here is what? Allow cookies. Allow it to go so that you leave your if you stop blocking what you want to do. Now you go back to what? Get started. You want to get started with Figma. It's very simple. Now wait for it to load. Alright, it's still loading. Yes, once it pops out this, don't type in your email, don't type in your password. What you need to do is what? Continue with your Google Mail. Alright, that's if your Gmail is already connected to your Chrome, your Google Chrome. Alright, and if it's not connected, you click on where? Create account. But right now, I will advise you to click on what? If your your Gmail, sorry, is connected to your Gmail, to your Google account or your Google browser, the Chrome browser, what you just need to do is click on continue with Google. Right? You wait for it to load. Now it's going to ask you to select, okay, the account you want to use, that is the account that is already connected to your Chrome browser. Now I'm going to click on this and wait for it to load. Alright, yes, good. Now it's gonna ask me what kind of thing work do I do. Yes, I'm a designer. Alright, a UI UX designer. I'm gonna click on this. You as well, you make sure you also click on design because you want to learn how to you know create user interface and user interaction design. That's what I mean by UI UX design. So you are gonna click on design. Okay, I'm gonna ask you how will you primarily use Figma. Okay, let's say I'm you. Alright, I want to use it for work. Okay, I'm gonna click for work. Okay, now I'm gonna click create account. Now if not for work, you can click on for personal use, but I will advise you to just click on what? For work. Alright, then you can, it's either you unclick this or click, but just leave it click, then you click on create account. Create account. Now wait for it to load. It's loading. Now can you see it here? Just wait for it. Now you can see the process is quite, now it's loading up. Can you see now? It's loading up. You just have to wait for it. Yeah, you need to exercise patience, okay? and make sure you have enough data. At least you should have like 1 GB on your data. Now it's going to pop up this for you on your screen. Welcome to Figma. Okay, tell us about your team. Now you don't need to type anything, just ignore them. Okay, and click on do this later. Alright. Now when you click on do this later, okay, it's gonna ask you choose a plan for your team. Alright, choose a plan for your team. So all you need to do is, okay, uh all you need to do is now look at a starter. Okay, as a starter, choose a team, a plan for your team as a starter. It said unlimited files in draft. Okay, 3 design files, 3 Figma files. Okay, and one, that's what you have as a free user. You know we are not paying for this, it's easy. Okay, now this one goes for unlimited files, but we don't need that. This is what we need. Okay, this part, what you just need to do is click on start for free. Start for free. We need our Figma for free. Okay, now it's gonna ask you, okay, what would you like to do first? We can help you to get started faster. Okay, design with Figma. Okay, prototype. Now you can click on design with Figma. All right. Okay, now, but if you really want to do it fast, you don't need to start doing this. Okay, it's gonna waste your time. Now because we know what we are gonna do, okay, me as the one going to teach you, okay, for you to know this, you don't need to go through this process. Just click on I will get started on my own. All right, boom. Now you can see, okay, this is your Figma environment online. Okay, it's very simple. Now I'll remove this. Now look at what it's saying here. Take a quick tour of the browser, of the file browser. Okay, you don't just click on no, thanks. Alright, now going ahead, now this is my account here. Alright, and this is my Figma draft, my Figma draft files, on which I have new design file, new Figma file, and then import file. Okay, and this are all the what explored Figma templates. All these are template designs, but you don't need to click on any, just ignore them. Alright, and then we have uh recent. Okay, you understand what I mean by recent. Now by the time we start our design properly, okay, I'm gonna tell you what all this means. Okay, but for now I need to tell you what UI UX really means. You need to know the basic, you need to know the essence, you need to know what you're gonna use it for, you need to know why you want to become a UI UX designer. You need to know the importance, all right, and you need to know the basics. Okay, as a UI UX designer. All right, I will not go through this now. Now you can see you have successfully installed your Figma app. All right, to your Google Chrome. Now, for instance, let's say you open a new tab here. Okay, I don't want to close this. Let's say you open a new tab, and next time when you want to continue working on your Figma, alright, on your Figma. Now I'm gonna close it. One thing about Chrome is it saves your recently opened or viewed web pages. And this all this you are seeing on web pages, these two things you are seeing on web pages. Now I'm gonna click on recently viewed, and you can see my Figma logo. Once I click on this, it's gonna take me directly to my Figma profile. Okay, you can see my Figma profile is loading up. Okay, you wait for it to load up. This is my Figma profile, it's loading, so that in case of next time when you want to go back to your design, or that is your Figma profile, once you open your Google Chrome, it's gonna save it already for you. Okay, so it's very simple. You just click on your recently viewed web pages. Now can you see my account? I can just start working, okay, on my Figma back again. Right, so I'll first teach you the necessary things, the basics of the meaning of Figma, and then the importance of Figma. Before that is, Figma is a UI UX tool. Okay, there are several other tools in which we use for what UI UX design. But I will, in fact, even if you go on YouTube, you will see people, even the whites, they make use of Figma as a UI UX tool. Alright, so please make sure you watch this tutorial, and if you have any question, just let me know, chat me up, okay, and I'll give you answers to your question if in case you get confused during the process. But please make sure you install Google Chrome browser in order for it to make it easy for you to access your Figma. Thank you.